you might come across this question in your forthcoming exams. Here is exactly how to crack it. So the question is, construct equations whose roots are sine squared theta and cos squared theta. The first thing to note is would write out our alpha and also our beta. So we say alpha equals sine square theta and beta equals cos square theta. The next thing to do is would find the sum. So we'll find the sum. And how do we go about that? To say the sum of alpha plus beta equals sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. And how do I know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1? This is called squared relation under trigonometry. It's from trigonometry series. If you would need videos on that, do request. Next, would find for the product, which is actually the product of the roots, would say alpha beta equals, you say sine square theta. I want to write my square very well. Sine square theta cos square theta. If you multiply them together, I would still get sine square theta cos square theta. So this is what you get. Just multiply the both of them together, sine square theta cos square theta. For this use, this is what you get. Next, we'd plug in our value into this. So we say x square minus the sum, which is alpha plus beta, x at outside, plus alpha beta equals 0. So do not forget that alpha plus beta equals 1. So we just need to plug in 1 here. And our alpha times beta is sine square theta cos square theta. So our final answer would be x square minus 1. Alright, this should be minus 1 in bracket. Plus, I'll just go through the process. Sine square theta cos square theta equals 0. And you leave it at x square minus times 1 is minus 1 times x is minus x or minus 1x, but I'll leave it as minus x plus we are going to get sine square theta cos square theta equals 0, and this will be your final answer. So this is the equation that we've just constructed from the root that was given to us: alpha for sine and beta for cos, alpha for sine square theta and beta for cos square theta. Would you like to take a quick test on this sample? Click on the link in the description box. You win, just believe.